Hi, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really cool battery-operated pole saw. This thing's pretty heavy duty. It's got a nice padded grip, ergonomic handle. It looks like an extender that you can easily flip these switches here and extend that out like that. In fact, it retracts itself. That's kind of nice. So you extend it where you want it, lock it in place where you want it. The battery simply snaps in the base like so. Battery indicator light. That's kind of nice. It shows you how much battery is left on the device. You can attach the pole saw head. We're going to remove the protective cover. And now by pulling the trigger, it ramps up our pole saw. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. Cut up here. Cuts like butter. Comes with 2 batteries. So to release the battery, we're going to push and remove this out here. You've actually got a handheld saw. Go ahead and put this battery on here. Battery indicator light. So now if you're doing small work, cutting up like this, you can cut it like that. If you're going to be extending this pole out to its maximum length, they do have a nice adjustable strap they can clip on to those eyelets on there that will allow you to put that over your shoulder so that you can let it cantilever out to cut those longer ones out. It also comes with a nice oil bottle that you can put oil in to then oil your chain with that. Charging cable, which is good to charge the batteries, and they even throw in a nice pair of protective gloves. All in all, it's a pretty complete kit.